There it is. One thing that sucks already is I can hear the Allen tools and maybe the whammy bar rattling around in there. You hear it? Here we go. Yeah. This is what I hear. The tools are all loose. And there's actually screws in here. It's like, where do these go? This is terrible. It's not real light though. That's kind of a disappointment. Here's my other tools that are just rattling around in there. I don't like how they didn't cover this headstock up. There's no marks on it though. It's heavy as hell, dude. Here's the guitar. Harley Benton Fusion 2. This is natural. This is a flame veneer on top of mahogany. Floyd Rose 1000. Roswell Alnico 5 pickups. 24 fret roasted flame maple fingerboard. The cream inlays. This is like a cherry natural. You can see the mahogany through it. Thanks for watching this short video. Hey, if you like this channel, subscribe. Later.